Nepotism still exists in Bollywood and responsible to reduce opportunities for outsiders.
Fact.
Fact, of course.
Of course.
Awards are scripted and people might buy it.
Not always.
मुझे तो कुछ पता नहीं है, हम zero idea.
Not always. I don't think so.
A award तक गए, award तक नहीं गए.
Good one. Film success is solely depend on the lead actor.
False.
Completely false. Myth.
Acting does not require professional training.
It's a myth. I mean, I would say because I haven't got any professional training in acting, so.
You know, ये बहुत इंडिविजुअल अप्रोच होती है एक्टिंग की.
Person to person.
ये मुझे के सर ने एक बार बोला था, के मैनन ने, कि एक्टिंग इज समथिंग व्हिच कैन बी लर्न बट इट कांट बी टॉट.
मुझे पर्सनली लगता है कि either you can act or you can't.
Yeah.
Two contemporary actors can never be friends.
अरे कभी खुशी कभी गम.
Hi, this is Ritvik Bhaumik.
This is Chitrangada Singh.
This is Adil Zafar Khan and you're watching us on Bollywood Hangama.
So I have a small game for you guys.
Oh, exciting.
Oh wow.
It's called myth or a fact,
Okay, ji.
according to you.
हाँ.
All Bollywood actors are wealthy.
Myth.
Myth.
It is a mithya.
I wish it was a fact.
Nepotism still exists in Bollywood and responsible to reduce opportunities for outsiders.
Fact.
Fact, of course.
Of course.
Acting does not
That does not
require-
mean we agree or disagree with it. We are just saying it's a
Yeah.
fact or a
Yeah.
myth. हाँ.
Yeah, in general.
हाँ जी, it's a fact.
Acting does not require professional training.
That's a fact.
It's a myth. I mean, I would say because I haven't got any professional training in acting, so.
You know, ये बहुत इंडिविजुअल अप्रोच होती है एक्टिंग की.
Person to person.
ये मुझे के सर ने एक बार बोला था, के मैनन ने, कि एक्टिंग इज समथिंग व्हिच कैन बी लर्न बट इट कांट बी टॉट.
Correct.
तो
That's a
वो
very interesting
हाँ,
sentence.
तो वो ये इतनी इंडिविजुअल अप्रोच है ना. Whatever works your way. Some people are just natural, they don't need any training, and some people get training and they get brilliant after that. तो ये बहुत इंडिविजुअल प्रोसेस है.
मुझे पर्सनली लगता है कि either you can act or you can't.
Yeah.
ठीक है. आप अगर एक एक्टर है तो आप शायद काम करते करते भी बेहतर एक्टर बन सकते हैं. और अगर आप एक एक्टर है तो आप पढ़ाई लिखाई करके भी बेहतर
Correct.
एक्टर बन सकते हैं. अगर आप एक्टर नहीं है तो आप कितनी भी पढ़ाई कर ले, कितनी भी स्कूल चले जाए, कितनी भी थिएटर कर ले, कितना भी कुछ कर ले,
I think maybe it has something to do with emotional intelligence. There's a certain basic
Yeah,
instinct you
yeah,
have
yeah.
to understand psychology or an emotional intelligence, and that comes from living life.
Correct.
I think experiences,
Experiences.
life experiences.
a lot of things.
So many things, you know. So I don't know. That's why I feel like you can't learn it always.
Correct.
Maybe that's my thought. Yeah.
Okay. Fame is the most important element of being an actor.
Myth.
Myth.
False is what I would say.
Bollywood movies are heavily influenced by Hollywood.
Myth.
False again.
हाँ.
False.
कितना हम लोगों का कल्चरली रिच कंट्री है.
It's very
कितना है हमारे
different.
पास, उनको हमारी जरूरत है.
You should know a language to be able to act in it.
You should know a language.
To
The
be able
language
to-
you mean, or in
Yes.
which you're acting in?
Yes.
I mean, ideally you should, I think.
No. I mean,
But
there's so
language
many
is something
South
that you can
films
pick up
that
and
you
learn,
know.
yeah.
There's so many.
I mean, you should know what you're speaking.
Of course.
हाँ, वो पता होना चाहिए कि क्या बोल रहे हो. Not necessarily the entire language.
No, why so
Unless
many
you're doing a
actors
silent
are
film.
also doing? No, there's so many actors who are working in the South now. They don't know the language.
Yeah.
हाँ, but then they know what the script is translating to.
Correct.
हाँ,
Of
हाँ.
course.
तो
वो
वो
तो
उतनी
समझ
लैंग्वेज
आना
आना जरूरी है कि आपको पता होना चाहिए कि आप
Correct.
क्या बोल रहे हो.
हाँ.
But very honestly, if you're doing a silent film, it doesn't matter.
हाँ, it doesn't matter then.
Awards are scripted and people might buy it.
Not always.
मुझे तो कुछ पता नहीं है. हम
Zero idea.
Not always. I don't think so.
A award तक गए, award तक नहीं गए.
Good one. Actors usually don't watch their own film.
A lot of actors don't. I do.
Think yeah.
मुझे नहीं पता. मुझे तो अपने आप को देखना बड़ा
मुझे
पसंद
बहुत
है.
मजा आता है.
I love watching
हाँ.
myself.
I don't think so. Yeah.
Okay. A film success is solely depend on the lead actor.
False.
I-
Again,
Completely false. Myth.
बहुत सारे फैक्टर्स पर डिपेंड करता है. स्टोरी.
Success you're saying, na? Success of a project.
Yes.
Myth.
People still believe that like in today's time actors, people can become actors by giving money.
By giving
Money.
become actors. No, you can be cast in a film by giving money, but you can't turn it. Nothing can turn you into an actor. You have to be an actor to be an actor.
Yeah.
No, but
It's priceless.
can
You can't buy
I
it.
don't know if you can buy it.
I don't know.
क्या नहीं
Part.
I'm saying कि अगर
खुद ही
मेरे
प्रोड्यूस करके खुद ही आप
मैं
हाँ,
मेरे
that
पापा के
you
पास
can.
10 करोड़ है
हाँ,
Correct.
वो कह
बना
रहे हैं
लो
ये
भाई।
फिल्म मुझे बनानी है
हाँ।
तो मेरी फिल्म आ गई
हाँ,
थिएटर
correct.
बट दैट डज नॉट मीन आई एम एन
के
एक्टर
एक्टर बन गया.
Correct.
Okay. Influencers becoming actors is not fair.
नो व्हाई एवरीबॉडी इज अलाउड टू
Why?
बी एन
I
एक्टर
think
इफ
if
दे
you're
कैन
good
एक्ट
at it, yeah. Why not?
Okay. Two contemporary actors can never be friends.
अरे
कभी खुशी कभी गम
Hence false. Hence false.
Astrology is highly followed among all the actors in the industry.
I wouldn't know how.
मुझे भी
ऑल
नहीं
ऑल
पता है.
नहीं
I have no rings.
मतलब I am, but
Also नहीं.
nothing to do with astrology.
ऑल नहीं होगा but I know a lot of people who do follow astrology
you guys
in their
follow?
working I do you
Not really.
I don't follow, but I kind of believe that there is a science
Yeah.
for sure.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So thank you so much.
Thank
you.
Thank you.
Please tell us when and where we can see the series.
Now on Netflix.
but beyond all of this guys please do watch
Yes.
Haki the Bengal chapter only on Netflix
And by the way, it's trending number
Number
one.
one.
So it's easy to find.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank you.
It was nice talking to you.
Same.
Thank you.
Hi, this is Ritvik Bhaumik.
This is Chitrangada Singh.
This is Adil Zafar Khan, and you're watching us on Bollywood Hangama.